Alright, so I gotta take this breather pop off. Valve cover is already ready to come off. Distributor out. I'm not sure what else after that, besides I'm probably gonna take out the radiator, drain the water into something that's still got good antifreeze in it. I'm gonna get that done and see what else I gotta do. Alright, so I got the fan off. Haven't taken the belts off yet. I removed the fan shroud. One, I figured out that it was broken, so I'm probably gonna have to get another one of those later after I get it redone and started. Fans off it. I don't know what this is for. I guess it was rattling or something, or wasn't tight or flush or anything with the water pump pulley. But now I'm gonna get to taking the radiator out and trying to get some more room so I can video this. Okay, I took a break and had to go do some other stuff. It's dark now, but this crank pulley bolt is giving me one heck of a go. Screwdriver's in there, it's completely bent back like that. I had this big one, I can't get in there. Wedged between both of those like that, trying to push it back, and that still didn't work because I ain't got enough weight or nothing to push down that bolt to loosen it up. So I might have to just say forget it for now and go to work and come back and do it tomorrow morning or something. We'll find out. Okay, so I got both of those screwdrivers wedged in there and still won't break loose. I'm jumping up and down this thing. Man, this thing's on there. Somebody put some super glue or JB Weld on that bolt. Okay, you can't see too well because of the lighting, that little thing right there. Anyways, bent that completely back. I even tried to get in there and crank it over to do anything, and now my ratchet is literally basically, it works, but not like it should. I think it fixed it. It skips here and there, but that definitely isn't going to do that. I've tried it like 3 times now. Bent the rubber on it. This thing is on there. Can't believe it done my ratchet like that. Yeah, just by hearing it do that, I can tell it. Yeah, and just then it skipped too. There it goes again. Anyways, I come up with a better solution for that. I don't know why it's on there so tight, or if the Loctite's holding it on there, but I definitely got to get something to turn it. Get me a pry bar or a pipe to go over that or something. That definitely has to come off. Alright, I'll see what I can do. Well, it's a couple days later, but I finally got that bolt loose. Had to use another ratchet and that bar to pry on it, plus being a good screwdriver, a really big one. Hopefully I didn't damage nothing in the process of doing this. I'm pretty sure I scratched a bunch of things down there, but it's loose. That's what matters to me. I'm glad it didn't break, because I thought it was going to break. Alright, I'm going to get this thing off. I probably won't take the radiator off. I don't really need that much room to work with it, but let's see what else is coming. Well, finally, after prying on it so much, finally come off. What up? Oh, there it is. That is super tight on there. Thought I was gonna break it, but I guess not. They're supposed to be that tight anyways. Well, some of them are, I guess. I think this was a crate engine. It's been put in here. It's not the original engine, I know that. But it's finally off. Take that pipe and that ratchet, which that's an old ratchet that I've had, to get it off. Because this one is completely broke. It's on. Well, now it won't work that side, so yeah, it's on off there. Nothing. It's broke. That was a good tool while it lasted. Well, I'm gonna get this timing cover off and see what I gotta do with it. I'm probably gonna get a piece of cardboard and draw out the shape or whatever and place the bolts in it so I don't lose any. That's in time. That crank down there is in time. And obviously they were loose because I'm not supposed to be able to do that at all. That tensioner is probably super loose down there. Chain stretch is plastic guides. I'm gonna get some steel guides for it. Probably go ahead and put a new water pump on it and a new oil since I am here anyways. And hopefully have this thing running. This thing's been racking my brain for like, I don't know, a few weeks. I don't even know how long I've had it. Month, weeks, something. Anyways, see what I gotta do about this. I'll get back here. Alright, so I finally got the timing cover off. You can definitely tell it's got some slack in it. This right here ain't keeping the tension anymore. Well, it is, but it's literally dug into the guide, I guess. I don't know yet. I haven't took it out yet completely. But obviously that right there isn't good. That obviously needs to be tightened. So this chain's definitely stretched. And that would probably be the reason why it didn't start. It still should be in time and everything. There's the timing cover. It looks okay. Anyways, no nicks in it or nothing that I can see as of right now, but when I clean it up I might see a little better. Might as well just go ahead and replace the oil pump and stuff on it. Everything I'm just gonna see. I ain't taking it completely off right now. I'm just gonna see. If I decide to, I probably will. Maybe not, we'll see. But it's off finally. And definitely gonna need a timing chain, so I'll get that ordered and probably the end of this video, and putting it back together will be the next. Alright, so there's the biggest problem. It wore way into that and dig a groove and everything. But while I'm in there, might as well replace the whole thing, right? Maybe the timing chain. I'll check see if the timing chain stretched or not. But regardless, I'm in here, might as well do it. But yeah, that's dug into that all the way. Can't believe we have a big of a groove at it. I don't think it's supposed to be that big. It's all the way to the bare metal right there. Wow. That's crazy. You can tell it's got a bunch of slack on it. Well, I need the parts and put it back together. Okay, so I got it all cleaned up, ready for the parts. Parts are, I haven't got here yet exactly, but got this done so I can just, all I gotta do is just wipe it down when it gets here. Can't really see that, but drain the oil after I get everything on. Everything's clean as what I can get to anyways. I don't really want to take everything off. It's going to seal, I mean it's clean, no bumps, it's all smooth. You can tell obviously the timing chain was loose and everything. I mean the tensioner was like pushed way out, it's got grooves in it. You can show you the tensioner real fast. It's got grooves in it from where it was pushing in it so much. I mean, obviously extended way out there. They said it's a crate motor, a new crate motor, short block, but apparently it's a long block that come with a head. I don't see a timing chain wearing out that fast, but I don't know. I'm replacing it, replace the water pump, oil pump, timing chain cover. It's like $70 for it all. Might as well while I'm in there. Well, it's been a few days since I've recorded anyway, so I'll do a walk around of the truck and everything once I get it running and everything. Hopefully it'll solve the problem. I've been through all the wiring and stuff like that right there. All through that. Injectors, here's the old injectors. They fire, but I figured since this piece right here was missing. Might as well just take it off the parts truck that we have. The filter inside there, look. Okay, so I got the timing chain on. Now everything's buttoned up. I'm lining up the dot with the link, and obviously the keyway, it only goes in one way. And then that dot, I can't see on my screen right now, but I'm using my phone, by the way. That dot with that link, it's a new timing chain and everything. Everything's in the box right there, all the old and new stuff. Yeah, it's raining, which is why I did the stuff on the inside. Not everything's buttoned up right now, as you can see that lock washer. It'll focus. That lock washer right there. Not everything's tightened down right now. I ain't even got the tensioner on. I'm just trying to get everything timed, because these are interference motors, and I would really not like to pull the head gasket on this. Timing chain, it's a decent job anyways. I'd rather not do a head gasket, but I mean, it's a lot easier than most. Everything, it's only got one head and a few head bolts, so. But timing chain's on. I just got to button everything up, put the, what do you call that? The sprocket, the piece that drives the oil pump. I got to put it on, put the tensioner on, and button everything up, I guess. It's night time, so I'll probably get back to you in the morning once I get it done, and probably running. I don't know, it's raining, been raining all day, so we'll see. Alright. I couldn't see the link on my phone screen, but I might be able to see, yeah, I can see a little better now. That link right there, line that up. You couldn't see it in the previous video. I'll probably cut that out, obviously. But there's that. It's a little, I don't want to say sideways, but you gotta twist that just a little bit, it seems like. I don't know, I'll look at it and see what it looks like. That's what the chain did, or the sprocket did when I put it on there, but it might be because obviously the chain is, oh yeah, never mind. The chain's got that curve in it. That's probably why it did that. Yeah, I'd say so. I didn't think about that. But okay, I'm gonna get the tensioner on. I'm gonna tighten up everything. These are the new steel guides, by the way. If you couldn't tell, here's the old ones, wherever they went. There they are. That's the old. And then that's the balancer. Where the other old one went, I don't know. I'll find it and show you the difference, but that's one of the plastic guides. I kind of melted it a little bit. Oh, there's the other one. Okay, yeah. There's the passenger, or I should say the left when you're looking at the motor. And the driver, which I melted that a little bit because I was heating up the lower sprocket to get that off. But I'll get back to you probably when the job is done, or I'm getting ready to put that stuff, put the timing cover on. We'll see.